So if you have one of these very expensive, high quality picture frames and the screen breaks, you gotta replace it. They don't offer replacements. So we're gonna take a break from working on cars to working on this. So this is the screen. This is my current one. This is the one that I want to save and I want to replace. So this is what actually goes bad. As you can tell, I mean, it's dirty, but nothing has happened to this. It just woke up one day and it was all broke. So as I stated, they don't sell replacement screens because they want you to pay $300 for a new one. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go on eBay and you're going to search for a very long time and get lucky, because you're going to eventually come to a point where you find one. Now, this one is a broke one. They said that the only issue is it does not connect to Wi-Fi. So I bought it, I think it was like $56, something like that. And we're going to see if the screen works. You know, if I was smart, I would test it before, but I'm not very smart, so here we go. All we got to do is just, here's this part and there's that part. I mean, there's really no better way to get in there. Just get in, and it's just held on by so you just gotta get underneath there and pop it. Now you don't have to really worry about breaking this one because it's already broke. You don't want to go too far in. I don't want to damage anything. There we go. Maybe we can just get this off without using that anymore. Okay, there we go. There's that. Here's mine. I keep them separate. Yeah, it's just glued in there. Just try not to move it around too much. Yeah, see, it's just glued in there, like so. Now that that backing is done, we're going to pull back that tape. We're going to take this ribbon and kind of work it out. Work it out. Perfect. Yeah, this one's good. We know this one's good because the Wi-Fi works on this one. Okay, let's get this new one put back in. So we're just going to take this and we're going to lift that up. Hopefully you can see that on camera. It's a little tiny black hinge on the back. We'll feed that through. And there. Perfect. We'll lock that down. There's a black piece right here, a little tiny. You gotta just lift up and be very gentle and then push it down to lock it. I guess I should have done that to remove it too, but I didn't, so that's probably why it was so hard. Once you lift that up though, there, it's in there securely. Alright. Line that back up with the guides. Alright, to finish it up, now we're just going to push down. That's it. There you go. That's how you fix one of those screens for cheap.